Hey guys, welcome back. I just wanted to give you a quick update on a couple of the trade that we made or recommended earlier this week. I believe it was Wednesday, January the 3rd, regarding Bitcoin and Litecoin. So you can go back to my video and see during around 15,000 mark I recommended getting into Bitcoin, that I'm seeing a potential and there will be a breakout coming soon, which actually did happen over the weekend. We had a nice bull run in Bitcoin and Litecoin. Bitcoin came up to almost 17,000 and now it's having a little bit consolidation and perhaps ready for its move toward 20,000 mark. So before we go ahead and do this quick update, please subscribe to the channel, give me a big thumbs up. This will keep me motivated in making this content for you guys, and every day I will try to bring you a new opportunity in cryptocurrency and stock market, how we can potentially monetize or make some money trading and buying and holding for long term. So please go ahead and subscribe and like the video. That will really help me. Alright, so let's dive in. So this is Bitcoin on daily window. So here's this is where on last Wednesday I recommended that it's looking like a nice W pattern and it's probably going to break out, which it did, and now it's making the run toward perhaps 20,000 mark. But before it do that, I think there's a nice consolidation action going on, which is pretty healthy, and it needs to have that consolidation and before the big volume comes in. So right now is you can see there's multiple bottom that's setting up right here around 13,000 mark, and this was back in December, then again late December, then early January. So now it's setting up for a nice bull run. So let's just draw a trend line here and see what resistance it needs to break before it can go up. Okay, so as you can see, there's a nice ascending triangle that's building up right now, and this is the first level of resistance around 17,500. So that's the first level of resistance, and that's making it a nice ascending triangle pattern. And they are quite bullish as long it stays above the trend line. So here's the trend line that we drew back last week, and it's staying over that trend line, which is very bullish, and plus it's crossed the 20-day moving average, and now it's consolidating nicely, but the main thing is it's staying above that, and it reached around 17,500, and that had a little retracement, but I have a feeling in coming days it will break the 17,500 mark and make the run toward 20,000. That being said, the main thing is we want to make sure there is no negative news that's coming out in media regarding cryptocurrency or anything, or overall market in general. So that will be another key factor. At the same time, we want to see some higher volume. So those are the couple of main key indicators, or something that to look out for: a higher volume, and no news is good news. So remember that no news is good news. Positive news is even better, and you will see a volume will kick in and will go over 20,000 for sure. So this Bitcoin is ready to run. It's making a nice W pattern. It will most likely break early next week and make a run toward 20,000. Let's just do a quick look in a smaller time frame. Okay, so it's bouncing off in 4 hours, bouncing off the 20-day moving average. It's a nice choppy action going on. As long as it stays over the trend line, that's the main thing. It needs to stay over the trend line and needs to break this 17,500 mark with a higher volume. We'll be making a run toward 20,000 if all that happens by early next week. Okay, now let's take a look at Litecoin. Just a quick overview on Litecoin. So Litecoin will be, I really feel like Litecoin is very undervalued at this point because a lot of this Bitcoin, so buying a lot of altcoin, you need Bitcoin or Litecoin or Ethereum, and Ethereum had a nice little run recently, and Litecoin is, it feel a little bit left out. It hasn't, I did not break its highs of 375 that it touched back in December. So I have a feeling that, and it's like the MACD is about to turn bullish right here. So I have a feeling Litecoin will have a nice run toward perhaps like 310 to like probably 346 or 350 in this coming week. So keep an eye on that. Litecoin is looking bullish as well. It needs to, it just needs to stay over the 20-day moving average because a lot of volume. People are, seems like people forget about Litecoin, but Litecoin is one of those transaction or one of those coins that you do need, and they're cheaper than Bitcoin. As for like day-to-day transactions. So keep an eye on it, Litecoin, but the main one is Bitcoin is definitely, I feel like, is going to have a nice run early coming week. Alright, so stay tuned. As I said earlier, please like and subscribe the channel, and I will be putting more content for you. And please comment in the section below what you like to see, if any other altcoin or any other coins that you want me to review on this channel. I'll be more than happy to do so. Alright, and let's stay good together and let's keep on going. Thank you. Bye.